Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ahana and here we talk about all things related to stationery, planners, productivity, organization and in general trying to live your best life. And if that interests you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click the bell icon to be notified every single time I post a new video.
Welcome to my mood board making journey. So here I will be using all my old stickers, washi tapes, things I've gathered over the years, and from old like journaling sets. This beautiful purple one especially is going to be guiding most of the planning that we're going to do today. I'm using an A3 drawing notebook for this. This is not my vision board. I will make the vision board for the planner separately. You will see a lot of images of travel. So I really want 2025 to be a year of exploration. I really like mountains. I love the tranquility and the beautiful blue skies, the fresh cold breeze that you get on the mountains, and that is something that I have been craving for years. Over the past few years I feel like I've only been going to beaches, and I am really craving to go to a mountain vacation very soon, and that is what I am trying to manifest with this mood board. You will see lots of hues of purple throughout this mood board, and that is not just because purple is my favorite color. It is also because purple is the color that defines tranquility and ambition for me, and that is going to be an essential theme for me in the upcoming year. I really want to focus on my work. I want to give it my all and definitely achieve all of my goals, while also taking a moment to appreciate the beautiful life that I already have and be grateful, and just learn to spend time with family and friends, and also take care of myself. You will also see many images of florals just scattered throughout this entire mood board, and that really signifies growth and resilience, and just a reminder that sometimes growth happens silently, and once it is done, it is beautiful. The end result is always beautiful, and it is always going to be there for you to observe and appreciate, even if while it is in the making not a lot of people pay attention. So it is just a reminder that you do what you have to do. You just focus on your work, you focus on your life, and you will get to where you really want to get to. Lot of little reminders burst in throughout this mood board of how you need to take care of yourself, how you need to take care of your health and your body. I give a lot of importance to health and fitness, so you are also going to see a lot of these stickers which are signifying like a healthy body and a healthy mind, a lot of good healthy meals, because that is also going to be one of the main highlights for this year. And you just see a lot of these inspirational stickers about finding joy and just doing your own thing, just something that is going to be my north star and something that will always ground me. I'm going to keep this particular mood board on top of the area where I work, so I can always rely on it to bring me back, realign my focus anytime that I feel lost. You will also see some images of like little quiet luxury, because I feel like these images really motivate me to work harder, and this is the kind of aesthetic that I really appreciate and I would maybe want one day my house to look like. So these are the images that I want to be in front of me, like front and center for me throughout the whole year. Again, a lot of florals. I just want there to be this positive vibe going around, and whenever I look at this mood board, I want to be reminded of what are the most important things for me in life and how I can continue to like keep achieving them. And while I'm doing this, I also need to take care of myself. I am a mom now, so I cannot keep pouring from an empty cup. I need to fill my own cup before I can give my daughter everything that she deserves. And I also am going back to work after quite a break, so I really wanted to bring back my A game, bring back all my focus and my energy, and do a good job. I've always been the kind of person who really enjoys learning new things, and I want to keep that up about me. Like, I don't feel like I have changed as a person, so I want to keep those things up. And you will see there's little quotes that there are over here, so it's just like, it's my life, take your time, those kind of things, just real little nuggets of motivation. And these stickers I personally love, so I'm just pasting random. These are probably written in Korean, can't read them, but I love how the aesthetics come together for this. Again, I have Van Gogh stickers, so Van Gogh is my favorite artist. I also went to the Van Gogh 360 thing, which was happening all around India sometime last year in 2023. So I caught that show in Gurgaon. It was beautiful, and I have a lot of these Van Gogh stickers. These are kind of actually reminders for me to keep doing art. And I am also trying to learn to cook and bake more this year, so you'll see some imageries of like interesting foods like this particular cake and some healthy foods. So that is also going to be like a main focus for me. These are some of the stickers which I had from this planner brand called Archetype, and they have these really cute panda stickers with flowers, just like signifying more joy in your life, and some really slow moments also, to just not always be grinding and hustling, and just taking the time for yourself to appreciate what is there around you, and just like be yourself, just be relaxed and calm. I invite you all to take this journey with me, and I know this is like a sped up version, but you can get inspiration from this and make your own vision board. You can see what images speak to you. You can print out images, you can use old stickers, you can just grab a magazine and take what images are really speaking to you. And this is not a vision board, so I will make a vision board later, but this is not about my goals, right? This is about the things that I want to focus on, the things that I want to nurture, but there are no achievements on this board. This board is just so that I know what is my true guiding light, what are the things that make me feel most like myself, and what are the things that are most important for me to remain me, my whole person, right? Remember, I had read this quote in Turtles All the Way Down by John Green, which says, you are somebody something, but you are also your you. So what are the things that are needed for you to remain your you? Do your thing, do the things which make you happy, and don't be so worried about what anybody else might think, because if you can't be true to yourself, then what is the point of doing anything, right? And I really like using stickers for this purpose, and not just like gluing things in, because you can just move things around and see what is the best version for you, what makes you feel the most motivated, what makes you feel the most like put together over here, like what really feels like a true depiction of how you want your year to go. So that is how my mood board has come together. I love the feeling of it. I think it has everything that really makes me feel super motivated and super happy and very excited going into the new year. I hope that you also make your mood boards like this. I am so excited to see what you come up with, so send me DMs on Instagram with your mood boards. I would love to see them, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.